List of objects to Numpy array. For one of my project in image processing, I need to use key points. To compute them, I found that opencv was quite fast and convenient to use. But, when computing the key points of an image with, for example, the fast algorithm, we receive an array of key point objects. When I get those key points, I would like to only take their coordinates, not the additional information, angle, etc. Those coordinates will be used to make several computations with Numpy. The problem is the conversion time from an array of key point to a Numpy array. It takes approximately 60% of the total execution time. Any suggestion how to improve the loop below? PS, I tried to use np.vectorize, but I did not notice any improvement. For information, the number of key points by image is often around 5,000. Update. As some people pointed out, the simple assignation from key points to Numpy should be quite fast. After some tests, it is true that it is very fast. For example, for a dataset of 275 images, with one thread, the complete execution time is 22.9s, with only 0.2s for the key points, Numpy to execute, and around 20s is spent by cv2.imred. My mistake was to use too many threads at the same time, as each core was not used at least at 80%. I kept increasing their quantity, until this arbitrary limit, which slowed down the loop execution. Thank you everyone to make me open my eyes on a stupid mistake elsewhere in the code.
A trial case. In timite tests, the key point step takes just as long as the CV calculation, 1 millisecond. But the two simpler iterations takes half the time. I was expecting the single iteration to save time. But in these simple cases, the comprehension itself takes only half of the time, the rest is creating the array.
Sorry.